Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from Bowling Green at the Host Hotel here for the Danchuk Tri-Five Nationals. Now, what a place to start this our visit here. This is the car that they're going to be giving away at the end of the show. So if you're a participant in the show, you are eligible to win this car. So let's just do a little walk around here and check her out here. Now this is just a 3-day party here. Forgive the close-up shots, but I'm kind of boxed in here. But I'll pull back here so you can kind of take it all in here. The show officially started today. As you can hear the music in the background, it's quite a party atmosphere going on. And we're just having a good time here. Flew in, had some dinner, and now we're just taking it all in. So be sure if you're in the area to come out and check it out. Let's kind of take a look at this beautiful interior here. TMI did us up really nice here. So take a look at there, and she's just gorgeous. This is something else. Now this, you could be the winner of this beautiful 56 convertible that's built by Woody's Hot Rods. Sheet metal from Golden Star. There's the 57 we gave away a couple of years ago. Just a beautiful gasser there. And just a lot of action, a lot of wonderful things going on here. This is just the start. The real show really kicks into gear tomorrow. So just stay tuned. We'll be giving you some more updates as we go along. Let's just kind of walk out here. This is just the nighttime activity that's going on in the parking lot. So even though the show ends at the event at the Beach Bend Raceway, this is what's going on afterwards. Let's just go for a little walk here, kind of take it in and see what it's all going about. If you haven't been to the Tri-Five Nationals, make sure that you make it on your bucket list. This is what's going on. We'll be back out here tomorrow night doing just kind of hanging out, taking in all the cars. And now this is the Host Hotel where everybody likes to come and hang out. Just take her all in there. Ah, there's a Lexus in there. What's that doing there? But as you can see, this is just the parking lot of the Host Hotel. And this will be the same scene for tomorrow. Yeah, Brian, we wish you were here too. You're really missing out. But this is what goes on before the big kickoff. And then we'll be back here tomorrow with everybody hanging out. Now, there's several hotels around here. Every parking lot looks like this. This is just incredible. I haven't got a final count. Last year was over 2,800. Hopefully this year we'll hit 3,000. Just take it all in. It's a party atmosphere. People out here all hours of the night. Some beautiful cars, some great time for all. And the weather seems to be fairly, typical of a Kentucky in August. But good times for all. So come out, see the show, and if you haven't been here, make it on your list. So again, this is Mike with Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from Bowling Green, Kentucky. Tomorrow we'll post some more stuff. We'll have some race action tomorrow, and we'll get a look at some more cars going on. So we're just going to kind of come around here and take some more pictures and take it all in. This is the whole parking lot, and there's a lot more to see. Ronnie, we hope to see you here as well. So till tomorrow when the show officially kicks off at the Bowling Green Beach Bend Raceway, this is Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing. See you soon.